to make noise. Anyway, we are going to trip. Look at this thing, it's a lot of burden. Phew!
Let's go.
Yeah. 이사벨 어디 가요?
바다 가요.
바다 보러 가요. 와. 처음으로 가는 거야?
네.
바다 처음 봐요?
네.
두 번째야?
네.
처음이야?
네.
이사벨 저번에 봤죠, 아빠랑?
아빠요.
아. 오. 비아트리스는 처음 바다 보러 가요. 아, 가자. 늦었어. 너무 늦었어 벌써. I'm here for the get some gas and put air in the tires. So 32. I don't know. And just it's automatic pressure. So if it reaches 31, it's gonna stop. It make noise. It could make a beep noisy, but it's really small, so can't hearing well. Did you buy?
Lots of stuff.
Lots of stuff. Okay.
But, I also bought some sanitizer wipes and some watermelon. Got some steak for dinner, a salad.
Wow.
Wow. And I bought eggs, bread, and some sandwich stuff.
이사벨 엄마가 수박 샀대. 수박.
와, 맛있어?
이사벨 좋아해요?
네. 먹을 거예요? 나 먹어.
아빠가 다 먹을까? 아빠 먹을까? 같이? 같이 먹을까요? 알았어.
Let's go. Hey, so Isabelle's daddy is going to the beach. Yay! It's not. Are you excited? Is baby excited? Where are we going? We're going to the beach. Yeah.
어디 가요?
바다 가요.
바다 가요.
We're going to Myrtle Beach. Unfortunately, the weather says it will rain. Maybe it'll be okay. 3.5 hours and we will be there.
That's a long trip.
We'll probably be there around 5. Hopefully 5:20. I hope you guys like our beach vacation.
Yep.
If it's all rainy, please feel bad for us. Maybe we'll switch drivers. Oh, what's that? That looks dangerous.
Yeah.
Can you guys see that? What is that?
I don't know.
It's just hanging off the wheel?
Yeah, I guess so.
Careful, dude.
Alright, we are having a break time.
Yeah, a little snack time.
Yeah. So Isabel mom's gonna go to the McDonald's. Okay, baby, you're gonna drink milk. Beatrice, 아빠랑 우유 먹어요. 엄마 간다. 비아트리스는 아빠랑 우유 먹어요. 좋아. Always hit daddies. McDonald's. Still we gotta go hour and a half. Beatrice just done with milk.
Good.
Yeah. 뭐가 있나? Are you gonna drive? Okay. Good. Wow, look at that nugget, Isabel. I will give you. Oh, you got the sweet chili. Oh, what is that? It's Korean language, sweet chili.
Does it feel familiar?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what
Look.
are these guys doing?
Cajun. Oh man.
Well, I'm glad that I'm not behind them.
What they're doing?
They're switching drivers, but their timing sucks.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. because Korean sauce.
Yeah, it's sweet and spicy.
So is it the BTS sauce?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Korea sauce is the best.
맛있어요?
매운데 맛있어.
맛있어요? 매워?
매워.
근데 아직 안 매워.
매워. 이사벨과 진짜 매워.
Yeah, this would taste more Korean.
Is it accident or?
No, I guess so.
Wow. Wow, man. Oh, man.
I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
예! 딱 작은 별 아름답게 비치네 쪽 하늘에서도 Look at this house, man.
That's for the rich person in town. Whoa. Whoa. That's a mansion. That is an old, whoa. An old southern mansion. Wow.
Yeah, you're gonna cross over.
I think he's going the same way as us. We're both following our GPS. Where history still lives. Oh, we should come back here soon. Man, I wish we had a plan to be here. This is kind of cute.
Wow.
If we weren't late,
the building.
we could stop.
And look at the kids.
I know, it's so cute.
Oh, they are taking picture.
This town is called Ridgeway.
Ridgeway.
Yeah, Ridgeway.
Ridgeway.
Cute. Historical Ridgeway. Oh, that's so cute.
Must be original things.
Mm.
Wow, so cute. Look at that.
Yeah. That probably used to be a boarding house.
Holding.
Yeah, boarding house. You know, you'd rent a room. You know. Oh man. I wish I knew you were selling watermelon, dude. Oh, what about your watermelon?
Uh-oh. Is it raining?
Well, there's 100% chance of rain tonight.
Isabelle, maybe we can see the ocean, but I'm not sure swimming.
바다 가요?
바다 가요, 네. Oh, look at this weather. It's raining. Oh, there's something happened there. Look at that. Oh. It's not this side. Oh, there's one more. I thought it's not big deal, but
There's an ambulance. It must have just happened. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, your room's not too.
are we gonna stay there?
Oh no, this one.
Oh. Looks like same as Myrtle Beach.
Yeah,
Feel like.
it's similar. Okay, so where is this hotel?
Ah, there is something.
I think it's over there. Yeah.
Looks like apartment.
It's not a beautiful hotel. It's called Pepper Tree.
Pepper tree.
This is not this one. Maybe it's the next one.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, go like the window.
I think any parking lot is okay.
Well, I gotta check in first.
Oh, look at that gray one. I guess this one. Alright, go get the key.
Yeah, go give me my where's my purse?
이제 도착. 호텔 왔어요, 호텔. 호텔.
네.
엄마 열쇠 받아서 올 거야.
Okay. Ooh, hot.
자, 비아트리스. 오. You got the key?
Yeah, all good. We're on the fourth
Alright.
floor.
Oh, okay.
There's an elevator right there, so no problem.
Wow. All right.
And anyway, we can park here.
Okay. Let's go. 4층이라네요. 일단 짐을 여기에다가 실어 보겠습니다.
I just think it's so funny. We're parents now, and like, look at it. Two tiny kids. Oh, Isabelle, so good. Isabelle. Oh. Yeah.
Smell like 목욕탕. It's not here. It's here. All right. Yeah.
I thought it was two beds, but I guess it's just one bed. Oh, I think this folds out. I think this is.
Oh, this is the.
Nice.
All right. Wow, look at the view.
See, I told you. It's not.
와, 이사벨 바다. 바다예요, 바다. 바다 맞아요?
바다.
좋아?
네, 좋아.
좋아. 와우.
안 무서워.
안 무서워.
의자.
With what?
여기 넣으시면.
Yeah. You want to take that one in the water?
야,
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's kind of
Here's
nice.
your eyes. You don't
It's
have to
not fancy,
buy
but
it.
they have like. This is smart. Your makeup towel,
Oh, good.
so you
Black.
don't get makeup. Yeah.
There's your oven.
We're not gonna swim anyway, right? We're just gonna walk down to the beach.
I don't know. Oh, you can order some pizza.
Good. I mean, yeah, sure. We can eat anything.
You're not gonna watch it.
No.
Just here.
Baby's probably really happy to be out of her chair. Finally.
Finally, yeah. Maybe I'm going to play.
Better safe than sorry.
You gotta watch it, Beatrice. She's gonna jump.
You have to turn it over.
No, I don't have to. There. Ooh, it's windy. 이사벨, 바다에 못 들어갈 것 같은데?
You know, kind of cute.
이사벨 저기 연 있어요. 비아트리스 thing.
I don't think she likes it.
알았다 이들이 맞아. 가보자. 가보자 또. 더 들어갈 수 있겠어 이사벨? 더 들어갈래? 괜찮아? 비아트리스. 예. 내일 비 안 오면 내일 또 나가서 놀아요.
네.
아.
무서워요.
안 무서워. 비아트리스 재밌었어?
네, 안 무서워.
I guess you guys have to bath and then I'm gonna bath. Alright, go ahead.
해봐요. 이거 뭐야?
와, 연, 이사벨, 연.
연.
What is that, an airplane?
Looks like airplane.
Yeah.
Whatever. Woohoo!
Here, sit down, eat your stick.
My.
Thank you for dinner.
You're welcome.
Looks very soft.
이거 뭐야?
뭐야? 큐브. 큐브.
Hang up.
아빠, 어디 가요? 어디 가요? 아빠, 난거 줘요. 난거.
이사벨 오늘 골랐던 책. 아빠 밥 먹고 있을 때 읽고 있어.
50% chance of rain tomorrow.
15? That's 100.
It also doesn't mean it's gonna rain all day. Oh man. Hello. Love it. It's great. View is wonderful. We're excited about our stay.
한정이?
이사벨 흐른다. 손잡이 맞아요. 손잡이 거. 싱크대 어디야? 싱크대.
You know where the sink is in the kitchen?
어.
Yeah.
거기 놔둬.
Oh, good job. Yep.
거기 놔둬. 옳지. 잘했다. 옳지 같이 갈 거야. 엄마한테 치약하고 칫솔 주세요. 영어로 해, 영어로 이사벨. 엄마한테 영어로 해야지.
What do you want?
키스.
Oh, you want tissue?
오예.
What's that? When they are busy with their baby, I take care of mine. That's her doggy. I am big for sure, but I'm still the right size for snuggles on mommy's lap and riding on daddy's back. There's someone walking on the beach.